In today's video, we're going to be looking at if it's still possible to get the $1 a month Shopify 3-month free trial. So unfortunately, the Shopify 3-month free trial has now ended and it's now been replaced with this brand new deal. In this offer, you get to try out Shopify for free for 3 days and you don't even have to enter in your credit or debit card details. Once that initial 3-day trial period is up, you can actually enjoy your first month for just $1, and they also give you $50 in credits to use in the Shopify App Store. So although this offer may not be as good as the 3-month free trial, in my opinion it is still definitely worth doing, as you get a whole month for just $1, you get 3 days for completely free, and you get $50 to spend, which is great if you're a small business trying to start up with low capital. So in order to claim this exclusive deal, I'll actually include a link in the video description down below, and you can click that link to get taken to this page. From there, all you have to do is enter in your email address in here, and you can then click Start Free Trial. From there, you'll get taken to this page and you can start setting up your Shopify store for completely free. So hopefully this video answered your question and I hope you found it helpful. As I said earlier, make sure you click the link in the video description down below to claim this new Shopify deal. Thanks for watching.